Good morning, student. Today is our module 3 of chapter rational number. This is lecture 3. Today we will cover these topics. First, addition of rational numbers, then additive inverse, and then subtraction of rational number, and few questions of exercise 1C. Now let us start with addition of rational numbers. In this, the case 1 is that when the given numbers are having the same denominators, when the value of denominator is same. So, like this, a upon b is one of the rational number and c upon b is the second rational number. If we will add these two, we will write common denominator, and in numerator we will add both the numerator, that is a and c. This is the rule. Now let us do some examples. Before starting our question, we have to keep in our mind that if the denominator is negative, then first step is always make it positive, then start doing your sum. Now our first question is we have to add 7 upon 9 and negative 11 upon 9. Here both the denominators are same, that is 9. We will write here a common denominator, and in numerator what we will do, we will add both the numerators. 7 plus negative 11. Here recall the concept which we have learned in integers last year. There is a multiplication of plus and minus. So plus minus will become minus, and 7 minus 11 will become negative 4. So the answer is negative 4 upon 9. Now here is the second example in which 8 upon negative 11 plus 3 upon 11. Here the denominator is negative. First step, we will make denominator positive by multiplying numerator and denominator by negative 1. Then we will get negative 8 upon 11 as a equivalent rational number. Now we will add negative 8 upon 11 plus 3 upon 11. Here again both the denominators are same. So we will write common denominator, and numerator we will add both the numerators. So negative 8 plus 3 will become negative 5 upon 11, and this is our answer. Now case 2. When denominators of a given number are unequal, then there are some steps which we have to follow. The first step is that we have to see the denominator whether it is positive or negative. If it is negative, then make denominator positive, and after that we will take the LCM of the denominators. Then we will make the equivalent rational number with the common denominators, like we have done in while doing the comparison of rational number, which we have learned earlier. Then we will add like we have done in case 1. So let us take one example. This is the first example in which we have to find out the sum of negative 5 upon 6 plus 4 upon 9. Here both the denominators are different. So, and we have checked whether the denominators are positive. Here denominators are positive. So, we will start by taking LCM of denominator. The LCM of denominator 6 and 9 is 18. We have calculated it mentally. Now, next step is that we have to make equivalent rational number, like negative 5 upon 6 is equal to, what we have to make? We have to make 6 as 18. So we will see by which number we will multiply so that 6 will become 18. So 6 is multiplied by 3, it will become 18. The numerator is also multiplied by the same number, and we will get negative 15 as a numerator. So the negative 15 upon 18 is the equivalent rational number of negative 5 upon 6. Similarly, we will do for 4 upon 9. Here 9 we will make 18 by multiplying it by 2, and so for the numerator again we will multiply by the same factor, that is 2, and we will get 8. Now 8 upon 18 is the equivalent rational number of 4 upon 9. Now we have got the two rational number which are having equal denominator. Now we will add them. This is the same case as we have done as we have done above in above example for case 1. Now, because the denominators are same now, so we will write the common denominator and add the numerators. Negative 15 plus 8. The same rule is applied which we have done in integers last year. We will get negative 7 as a numerator, and answer is negative 7 upon 18. There is a shortcut method for this also. In this method we will use the knowledge which we have learned while doing addition of fractions. So let us see the shortcut method. Now, so the same question we have taken negative 5 upon 6 plus 4 upon 9. Here the denominators are different, and LCM of 6 and 9 is 18. So, and then here we will write a common LCM. Now see what we have done in the numerator. We will see by which number we will multiply 6 so that we can get 18. So we will multiply 6 with 3, so, and we can get 18. So for numerator, that is negative 5, we will multiply by the same number. Here is a plus sign, we will write plus here. And again we will see by which number 9 is multiplied so that we can get 18 as answer. So it is, we will multiply it by 2. So we will multiply the numerator also with 2 and get negative 5 into 3 as negative 15 and 4 into 2 as 18. Here 4 into 2 as 8, not 18, it is 8. Now we will add the numerators. Negative 15 plus 8 is negative 7. So whole rational number is negative 7 upon 18.